morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Oil prices fell to over 2-month lows after bearish supply guidance from the US government and the International Energy Agency, while investors eyed US President Donald Trump's threat of severe consequences if Russia's Putin blocked peace in Ukraine. The benchmark S&P 500 and Nasdaq indexes hit new closing highs for the second straight day on hopes that the Federal Reserve was getting close to a monetary easing cycle. Some large stocks, including Nvidia and Microsoft, closed lower. Cryptocurrency exchange operator Bullish was valued at about $13.16 billion after its shares more than doubled in their NYSE debut, underscoring investor confidence in the sector and lifting prospects for future US listings by other digital asset firms.
The euro-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The Williams indicator is in overbought territory. The Aussie-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
The next few days will feature a busy economic calendar showcasing important reports that range in significance. Market participants should stay alert for possible fluctuations as these updates are made public. Anticipating market reactions to these updates will be vital for traders. Having an adaptable approach can help manage risk and take advantage of sudden market movements.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.